Shawty, bring it on the beat. Got my man, my honey on the radio. Yeah.
Y'all know what this is, boy. For real, the art of getting robbed. This is how we do, Brooklyn style, boy. You know what I'm saying?
R.I.P. B.I.G.
Nigga 50 Cent, yo, this is how it feel out of rob industry, nigga, yo.
R.I.P.
Don't
enough
take
of
this
that
shit
shit, it's
serious,
time
though,
to
we just
OD.
fucking the
One
fuck out.
time.
But y'all can take it how you want it, word.
Hey yo, the bottom line is, I'm a crook with a deal. If my record don't sell, I'm a rob and steal. You better recognize, nigga, I'm straight from the street. These industry niggas is starting to look like something to eat.